side lying leg series with circles. So bottom leg is straight to the front of the mat, arm is long, neck is long, belly button's always pulled in, hand to the front of the mat just to offer you a bit of support, and your ankle, knee, hip and shoulders one line. And imagine your toes are holding a piece of chalk, so if you allow your leg to come up. And it doesn't matter what direction you do, but you're going to start small. So think of working inside of the hip, so you don't want the whole hip doing circles. It's just the leg turning inside of the circle. The stronger you get, the bigger you can make the circles, but be aware of how this movement starts affecting your spine and your shoulders. Change direction. Okay, 6 in each direction or 8 in each direction. And relax. So that is your side lying leg series. So you have front and back, up and down, and your circles, and you can do all 3 of them if you want to add a little grouping together. So that's your side lying leg series.